Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure you have edit or full control. Without that, you can't add links. Next, open the Sharepoint site and go directly to the specific page, library, or list item where the link belongs. Once there, switch the page into edit mode or open the item's edit form so you can insert content. Do this now. We move fast. Make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups because some dialogues Sharepoint uses open in a new window. Place your cursor where the link should appear. A text web part, list column, or rich text field. Then use the ribbon or inline toolbar, insert link, or the chain icon, and pick URL, anchor, or document. Paste the address and type readable display text so users know where it goes. This matters for click rates and accessibility. Set the target to open in a new tab if linking off-site, and add a title attribute so screen readers and hover help show context. After inserting the link, save or republish the page and immediately test it in view mode on both desktop and mobile so you catch responsive issues. If the link fails, check the URL for typos, ensure the target file or page has proper permissions, and confirm you used a relative path for same-site links or an absolute URL for external ones. One key troubleshooting tip: clear your browser cache and test in an incognito window to rule out caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.